How to delete or remove one picture from multiple Instagram posts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, what you need to do is just go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here's your profile. Now to delete or remove the one picture from multiple Instagram posts, just go to that post. So as you can see, there are three pictures over here. Now to delete any one of them, so suppose I want to delete the second picture over here, so all I have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, then tap on edit. So here you can see the option of delete at the left corner of the photo. So you can see over here it's the delete button, so just tap on delete, tap on delete media and tap on OK, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.